Okay, here we have a LeVoit. This is a 2.5 gallon cool mist humidifier, and it works great. Problem is, depending on what kind of room that you're in, it's kind of hard to see what's in the tank because it's not lit, or if you don't have enough lighting in the room, you don't really know what's in it. It's not really a problem if it's full going empty, but going the other way around, trying to fill it up without overflowing it, could be a problem. So I just temporarily made a little hack that I'm going to get some bits and make it more permanent. But for now, with the trash I got laying around the house, I just made a little something, and I'll plug it in here. Look at that. Now, why couldn't the manufacturer make something simple like that? You know, just have a little light on so you can see what's in the tank. So right now it's full right to the max, but very easy to see the water level. So I'm going to have a more semi-permanent solution coming up in a few days, and I'll make a video of it, or I'll do it live. So until then, we'll catch you on the next video.